Hello, and welcome. My name is Emma.
Hi, my name is Leo.
Today, we learn English. Very simple English.
Yes, very simple. I am a beginner.
That is okay, Leo. This podcast is for beginners.
Great, I am ready.
Good. Let's start with greetings.
Greetings, like hello?
Yes, very good. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Great job. Now you try.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Very good. Now let's practice. Hello, Leo.
Hello, Emma.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Good. Now you ask me.
How are you?
I am good. Thank you. Good job. Now let's learn numbers.
Numbers, like 1, 2, 3?
Yes. Let's start. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Great. Now repeat again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now let's practice. What is this number? 3.
3,
What is this number? 7.
7,
What is this number? 10.
10.
Good. Listener, now you try. Say 1, 2, 3. Say 4, 5, 6. Say 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now let's learn days of the week.
Okay.
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Very good. Let's repeat again.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great. Now let's practice. Today is Monday.
Today is Monday.
Today is Friday.
Today is Friday.
Good. Now, listener, you try. Say Monday. Say Wednesday. Say Sunday. Good job. Now let's learn objects.
Objects? Things?
Yes, things around you. A book,
Book,
pen,
pen,
table,
table,
chair,
chair,
phone,
phone,
bag.
bag.
Very good. Now repeat.
Book, pen, table, chair, phone, bag.
Good. Now practice. This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a pen.
This is a pen.
Good. Listener, now you try. Say, this is a book. Say, this is a phone. Say, this is a chair. Good job. Now let's learn food and drinks.
I like food.
Me too. Let's start. Rice,
Rice,
bread,
bread,
apple,
apple,
banana,
banana,
water,
water,
tea,
tea,
coffee.
coffee.
Very good. Now repeat.
Rice, bread, apple, banana, water, tea, coffee.
Great. Now practice. I eat rice.
I eat rice.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I eat apple.
I eat apple.
Good. Now, listener, you try. Say, I eat bread. Say, I drink tea. Say, I eat banana. Good job. Now, let's learn daily activities.
Activities? What I do every day?
Yes, exactly. Wake up,
Wake up.
eat,
Eat.
drink,
Drink.
go,
Go.
work,
Work.
sleep.
Sleep.
Very good. Now repeat.
Wake up. Eat. Drink. Go. Work. Sleep.
Good. Now practice. I wake up.
I wake up.
I eat.
I eat.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I sleep.
I sleep.
Great. Now, listener, you try. Say, I wake up. Say, I eat. Say, I sleep. Good job. Now, let's make small sentences. Hello, I am Leo.
Hello, I am Leo.
I eat rice.
I eat rice.
I drink water.
I drink water.
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Great job. Now, listener, you try. Say, hello, I am. Say, I eat. Say, I drink. Good job. Now, let's review. Greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Numbers 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Days, Monday to Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Objects, book, pen, phone.
Book, pen, phone.
Food and drinks, rice, apple, water.
Rice, apple, water.
Activities, wake up, eat, sleep.
Wake up, eat, sleep.
Very good, Leo.
Thank you, Emma.
And thank you, listener. Practice every day.
Yes, practice every day.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.